Want to upgrade your woodworking workshop? Today we are breaking down 20 genuine woodworking tools that experts haven't seen yet in 2026. We are bypassing the usual smart tape measures. Instead, we are looking at revolutionary hidden woodworking gear that will completely change your workflow. If you want to master precision woodworking and discover the best new tools for woodworkers, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's dive into these game-changing carpentry power tools. Get flawless hardwood flooring installation with professional precision. Introducing the Powernail L-Cleat Flooring Nailer, a professional-grade pneumatic trigger-pull-actuated 18-gauge L-Cleat flooring nailer built for fast, secure, and accurate fastening. Proper flooring installation requires consistent fastening strength, and this tool delivers reliable performance for tongue and groove solid hardwood, exotic, bamboo, and engineered flooring. It handles 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 9/16 inch, 5/8 inch, and 3/4 inch tongue and groove flooring planks and can also fasten interlocking wood floor systems. The patented adjustable flex foot fine-tunes to different wood profiles without shims, while the Nomar design protects delicate finishes. Ideal for flooring contractors, installers, and renovation projects. Cut through tough branches with confidence wherever your adventure takes you. Meet the Rexbeti Folding Saw, a heavy-duty handsaw featuring an 11-inch extra-long blade made from quality SK5 steel for powerful and efficient wood cutting. A reliable saw is essential for camping, survival, pruning, and bushcraft tasks where speed and control matter. Its aggressive 7 TPI staggered teeth deliver high cutting power for 6 to 7-inch branches, while the reinforced blade structure improves stability during demanding work. The lightweight folding design fits easily into backpacks, and the ergonomic rubber-coated handle provides a secure grip, perfect for wood camping, dry wood pruning, landscaping, and outdoor projects. Achieve cleaner cuts and sharper joinery with total control. Introducing the Lee Valley Veritas Skew Block Plane, a high-performance hand plane designed for woodworkers who demand versatility and precision. Fine woodworking often requires accurate trimming, end-grain work, and flawless rabbets, and this tool delivers exceptional results. Its advanced cutting geometry combines a 12-degree bed angle with a 15-degree skewed blade for smooth, effortless cuts. The Nora-style adjuster provides precise feed and lateral blade positioning, while set screws prevent blade shift during use. An adjustable fence controls cut width, and the scoring cutter minimizes tear out. Perfect for joinery, trimming, final fitting, and detailed woodworking tasks. Get perfect stair tread fits without the trial and error. Meet the Marshalltown Stair Tread Jig, a built-in ruler, template, and measuring tool designed to ensure stair treads are cut to fit the exact angle of the stair, even when dealing with non-square treads. Accurate measurements are essential for professional stair installations, and this tool simplifies the entire process. High-quality knobs and a strengthened top crossmember provide superior clamping force, while clear, bold markings and a built-in ruler measure from 12 inches down to 1/8 inch increments. Ideal as a stair tread jig, gauge tool, and template tool for fast, precise tread and riser installations. Make flooring installation faster, cleaner, and easier. Introducing the Roberts Laminate and Vinyl Plank Cutter, a specialized cutting tool designed for precise flooring cuts without dust, noise, or power tools. Accurate cutting is essential when fitting laminate and vinyl planks, and this cutter delivers clean results with applied leverage. It cuts through laminate flooring up to 8 inches wide and 10 millimeters thick, and vinyl planks up to 8 inches wide and 4 millimeters thick. The zinc-plated carbon steel blade features a blunt, non-sharp cutting edge that prevents laminate from splitting, while the sturdy, positionable V-support keeps planks level. Ideal for cutting end pieces during flooring installation projects. Take on demanding cuts with cordless power and professional precision. Introducing the Flex Dual Bevel Sliding Miter Saw, a high-performance cutting system built around the Flex stacked lithium advantage, delivering 200% more power with 24-volt stacked lithium, 300% longer runtime with Thermatech Plus heat management, and 100% faster charging. Accurate cutting is essential for framing, trim work, and woodworking, and this saw delivers with a patented fast shift bevel lever, quick mitre lock system, and LED shadow light for ultimate accuracy. The kit includes a 12-inch sliding compound mitre saw, a 10.0 amp-hour battery, a 280-watt rapid charger, and a 60T carbide blade. Perfect for cross cuts, bevel cuts, dados, and slot cuts. Build perfectly square assemblies with confidence every time. Introducing the Milescraft Square Clamp Kit, a 90-degree right-angle corner clamp and right-angle adjustable positioning square designed to simplify woodworking projects that require precise alignment. Accurate 90-degree clamping is essential when assembling cabinets, furniture, frames, and panels, and this tool makes the process fast and reliable. Its 8-inch by 8-inch durable body provides solid support, while the durable cam lever handle snaps firmly into place for maximum clamping force. A wide TPE clamp pad prevents slipping and marring, and the 3/8-inch fence clamp holes allow multiple clamping styles, perfect for woodworking assembly and positioning tasks. Get flawless stair measurements without the trial and error. Introducing the Sunlfprod Stair Tread Template Tool, an upgraded stair measuring tool, stair template, and stair scribe tool designed to make stair installation and layout work faster and more accurate. Precise measurements are essential for stair treads, shelves, and custom woodworking projects, and this tool delivers with revolutionary aluminum alloy construction, a CNC anodized wear-resistant surface, and clear electroplated markings. Its precision assembly technology ensures secure operation, while the adaptable design, sliding connectors, and instant template creation allow quick shape transfers. Perfect for stair measurement, stair installation, shelf project layout, and custom fitting tasks. Make outdoor cutting easier, faster, and more comfortable than ever. Meet the Eastyle Cordless Chainsaw, a powerful electric left-handed chainsaw designed specifically for left-handed users who need better visibility and control while working. Reliable cutting performance is essential for tree trimming, pruning, and yard maintenance, and this saw delivers with a 900-watt brushless motor, producing up to 24,000 revolutions per minute and a cutting speed of 39 feet per second. The auto-oiler system keeps the chain running smoothly, while the tool-free chain tension feature allows quick adjustments. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt max battery, it includes a 4.0 amp-hour battery, charger, and safety switch for secure operation. Get perfectly aligned flooring without the hassle of pry bars and extra effort. Introducing the CarQiWireless Flooring Jack, a professional hardwood flooring jack and positioning tool designed for straightening and installing laminate deck boards and tile floors with precision. Proper plank alignment is essential for a clean, durable finish, and this tool makes the job faster with a precisely designed ratchet mechanism that delivers effortless, accurate positioning for secure nailing. The felt bottom scratch-resistant design protects finished surfaces, while the simplified installation process eliminates the need for traditional pry bars and crowbars. Built from No. 45 cast steel and Q235 material, it offers long-lasting strength and reliability. Get smooth, flawless surfaces with professional control in every pass. Introducing the Hychika Random Orbital Sander, a powerful 5-inch electric wood sander with a double handle designed for heavy-duty woodworking, polishing, and surface finishing. Precise sanding is essential when working with wood, metal or plastic, and this tool delivers with a 3.8 amp 450 watt excellent motor, more powerful than a 3 amp motor, reaching up to 12,000 OPM for fast material removal. Its high dust collection efficiency system, 6 adjustable speeds, and low swing and vibration design ensure clean, stable performance. Comes with 20 pieces of sandpaper for versatile, tool-free, quick-change sanding tasks. Get flawless accuracy in every cut and layout with unmatched confidence. Introducing the Woodpecker's Precision Woodworking Square, a 12-inch aluminum USA-made feature-packed square designed for woodworkers who demand absolute precision in their work. Accurate measurements are essential for cabinetry, furniture, and machine setup, and this tool delivers. Built with precision using a cast aluminum tool plate machined through high RPM CNC processes, for accuracy within 0.001 inch or less. Its self-standing design, shoulder lip, and laser-engraved scales ensure effortless marking and checking. Strength and accuracy come from stainless steel dowel pins, making it ideal for checking squareness, marking layouts, and tool setup operations. Take on every home repair and DIY challenge with confidence and ease. Meet the Seika tool set, a general home hand drill toolkit with a 14-inch storage bag and a tool set with a cordless drill for DIY projects, home repairs, and handyman tasks, designed to make every fixing job simple and efficient. A reliable toolkit is essential when handling everyday maintenance, furniture assembly, or emergency repairs, and this all-in-one combo kit delivers with 157 pieces for complete versatility. The 20-volt cord-free power drill features 2 speed settings, 18 + 1 torque adjustments, an LED light, and a lightweight 2.6-pound design, while comprehensive hand tools ensure durability and long-lasting performance for all home projects. Build accurate cuts anywhere with stability, strength, and total confidence. Introducing the Bora Universal Miter Saw Stand, a quick-release tool mounting system portable miter saw stand with a 500-pound max weight load and a height of 34 inches with outrigger arms up to 114 inches, designed for professional and DIY woodworkers who need reliable support on the job site. A stable workstation is essential for safe and precise cutting, and the Bora Portamate PM4000 delivers with heavy-duty construction that supports miter saws up to 12 inches, including compound sliding saws. Its smooth operation with quick-release folding legs ensures easy setup and storage, while versatile mounting supports multiple tools for maximum productivity and control. Upgrade your woodworking precision with power, control, and cordless freedom. Introducing the Flex Cordless Trim Router tool, designed for professionals and DIY users who need accuracy and efficiency in detailed routing tasks. Precise edge shaping and clean trimming are essential in cabinetry and fine woodworking, and this tool delivers with the Flex Advantage, offering 20% more power with 24-volt lithium, 25% longer runtime with Thermatech heat management, and up to 50% faster charging with dual fan chargers. Its 1.5 max horsepower brushless motor ensures high efficiency, while the spindle stop enables fast bit changes. With a variable speed dial, accurate depth adjustment, and flex 24-volt cross-compatibility, it ensures professional results every time. Get powerful cutting performance in one compact, easy-to-handle tool. Introducing the Worx Reciprocating Saw&Jigsaw, a 20-volt saw designed for users who need flexibility, speed, and precision in demanding cutting tasks. Cutting versatility is essential for home renovation, woodworking, and repair work, and this tool delivers with 2-in-1 functions, offering jigsaw and reciprocating saw modes for multiple applications. Its 3/4 3/4-inch stroke length ensures fast material removal, while the compact and lightweight design at only 4.2 pounds reduces fatigue. With 4 blades for different materials, toolless blade change, a pivoting head design, a variable speed trigger, a built-in LED light, and a blower for visibility, it provides controlled, accurate cutting every time. Battery and charger included with PowerShare compatibility. Get perfect stair measurements without guesswork or wasted material. Meet the Puioco Stair Tread Template Tool, a stair measuring tool with a triangular structure brace and edge flip stops, an 8 to 72-inch solid aluminum alloy stair tread jig for accurately measuring stairs, and designed to make stair layout faster, easier, and more precise. Accurate stair templating, essential for construction and renovation work, and this tool delivers a reliable triangular structure design that prevents movement for precise measurements. Its lock width in 1 second feature with edge flip stops ensures quick alignment, while the upgraded pivot end and flexible combination length provide multi-angle adaptability. Built to last, from aerospace-grade aluminium alloy, it ensures accuracy and instant template creation for professionals and DIYers. Get professional trim work done faster, cleaner, and without the hassle of cords or compressors. Introducing the Metabo Angled Finish Nailer Kit, a 15-gauge finish nailer power tool with a 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery and 1 1/4 inch to 2 1/2 inch nails, powered by a powerful brushless motor, designed for precision fastening in demanding finish carpentry. Reliable nail driving is essential for trim, molding, and detailed woodworking, and this tool delivers powerful and efficient performance with a next-gen 18-volt cordless system that is 13% lighter and drives nails 30% more efficiently in hardwood and fiber cement. Its user-friendly design includes toolless depth adjustment, while lightweight and compact handling ensures control in tight spaces for flawless finishing work. Get clean, precise flooring cuts without noise, dust, or electricity. Introducing the Naacoo Vinyl Floor Cutter, a 13-inch vinyl plank cutter with a wheel designed for effortless professional flooring installation. Accurate cutting is essential when working with laminate, vinyl, or engineered wood, and this tool delivers meat angle and length cutting for a faster, smarter workflow. It handles a maximum cutting width of 13 inches and a maximum cutting thickness of 13 millimeters, with multi-cutting angles of 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees. Built from strong aluminium alloy and HDPE with an upgraded square panel for stability, it ensures safe, reusable, and efficient cutting for laminate floor, engineered wood, bamboo flooring, and more. Get precision setup measurements without guesswork and achieve perfect woodworking accuracy every time. Meet the Woodpecker's Setup Block, an inch model, a 1/64 inch to 1 3/16 inch dual-scale woodworking setup block gauge for router bits, saw blades, and drill presses, designed for professionals and DIY woodworkers who demand exact setup control. Accurate machine setup is essential in woodworking, and this tool delivers with an adjustable setup block inch model, offering 1/64 inch increments for fine precision. Its easy as 1-2-3 system ensures fast adjustment and locking, while the top scale and bottom scale provide reliable reference surfaces for drill presses, router tables, and table saw blade height settings, ensuring consistent and accurate results. That wraps up our list of the coolest new woodworking tools hitting the market. Which of these unique hand tools and smart shop gadgets are you adding to your workbench first? Drop a comment below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more woodworking tips, and check out our next video on essential workshop upgrades. Keep crafting, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.